Hey YouTube, welcome back to another episode of Just the Tip. This week we're talking tires. I change all my own tires, and if you want to too, the hardest thing to do is to break the bead. Today I have an old school trick I want to share with you, how to break the bead on tires. Now I've done this on the side of a gravel road, on trucks, cars, you name it, and it works on bikes just the same. All you're going to need is a 2x4 and a truck or a car. Let's get to it. And it takes a little bit of driving skills. So we want to run over this part of the tire, not the wheel. So I'm gonna get as close as I can with the tire of the truck to that lip. And then a friend holds it over here, holds it down, keeps it from flipping up. The 2x4s are just to keep the rotor off the ground. That's your choice. Let it go, let it do its thing. Yeah, there you go. Hold on, let me do it again. That's a little fast. Alright, turn it for me. So now we're going to turn it. You're good. I'll flip it. Yeah, there you go. That's good right there. So we turn it around about a quarter turn, almost a half. There you go. Now this side is, the bead is broken. There you go. So now we'll flip it over and do the other side. Flip it in. Turn it. That's good. That's it. Now the bead is broken all the way around the tire, and you're ready to dismount the tire. No special tools, no more money. Well, there you go. The whole thing's broken down, ready to dismount. This is 12 o'clock. Remember, I can't guarantee your work. This is just the tip.